before we have any company come through. Let's see if we can get it on the ground. Whoa! Sounds like it's landing on sandpaper, doesn't it? That's pretty much right. Okay, let's get our Zeta Ultra Z Blaze in the air again. I'm lucky that the wind has held off as long as it has today. Let's see. And it just shifted on me, so that usually means it's not long before it starts picking up. Alright, launching. That took off nice. It is hitting a little wind. Alright, let's go vertical, try a split S. Nice. Alright, let's try a loop. Yes, it is definitely hitting some wind up there. Nice loop. Nice roller coaster turn. Wow, it's gusty up there. Alright, let's try a roll with it. Nice. This is a pretty nice flying EDF jet, guys. I think once I get more time on it, I think this is going to be my favorite one. I've just recently... Oh, there goes somebody. I've just recently published my setup and OpenTX model file for this on our Facebook page. I just had somebody come through and with a bicycle with 2 dogs. But it seems to be very, very well behaved. I have not seen any bad tendencies out of it. It does have a huge wing plate on it, so it is a little more susceptible to wind and gust. But I'm hoping to put a gyro in it to take care of it, you know, take care of wind mitigation, and have a parachute button on it. I'd like to have that with all of my planes, especially my EDF jets. And it's pretty maneuverable too. Okay, I'm starting to get my haptic. Let's do another circuit and make sure I don't have anybody else coming down the road here. Looks good in that direction. Alright, we look good in that direction. There we go. Oh, that was nice and pretty. I was hoping I had enough steam to clear all those ruts down there. Yeah, I think this is... I don't always get a good landing with this jet, but because I don't have a lot of time with it. But it is so far the easiest to launch and easiest to land EDF jet that I have flown. And in the air, it is just as stable as the other EDF jets I have. And two EDF jets I have besides this one are just exceptional flying jets. So that tells you something about this one. But absolutely awesome. I am very impressed with the amount of power that this thing shows with the 64mm EDF unit with just a 5-blade fan on it with a 4S. It's showing just as much power as my 50mm EDF jets on 4S that have 11 and 12 blade fans on them. So I'm very impressed with that. I wouldn't be surprised if you had a torquey enough motor on an EDF unit and you had an 11 or 12 blade fan. I wouldn't be surprised if this one would actually have unlimited vertical. And I have yet to see that on an EDF. Alright, let me see. I have a 4S 1600 milliamp hour Lipo in it. Looks like I landed right on the timer at 4 minutes. Just curious to see. I was in the throttle quite a bit during that flight. I'm just curious to see how much battery I have left. Let's see here. 14.75, 3.68, 3.69, 3.68. Yeah, I think that's about right. If I would have had to fly half a dozen circuits at low power because somebody was coming through before I could land, I think I could get it there, you know, with about 3.6 volts left per cell. So I think that's about right. 4-minute flight for the Nano-Tech 4S 1600 milliamp hour, and that is a 70 C Lipo. Not too bad. So anyway, awesome jet. Like I said, my setup, OpenTX model files, have been published on our Facebook page if you guys are interested in that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the air.